Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the video call problem in your device Oneplus Nord N200 and N100. But before starting, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now, if you in your device Oneplus Nord N200 and N100 you are having issue related to the video call, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the video call problem in your device. Let's watch it.